I'm thrilled to announce that Visual Components acquires Delfoi Robotics offline programming business. I want to personally welcome Delfoi Robotics team to join Visual Components. Visual Components and Delfoi Robotics offline programming tools are creating a really strong package to our customers. We can support our customers' processes from layout design to simulation and analysis to virtual commissioning, and now with the Delfoi Robotics tools also in the robotics offline programming tools. So together we are creating a really strong offer to our customers. We are stronger together by helping our customers to be more productive. We are making digital production transformation possible.